Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi option not showing on Windows 11. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do, as you can see that there is no option to turn on the Wi-Fi. So the first step you need to search here, control panel. Once you search that, you simply need to open, and then you need to click on network and internet and click on network and sharing center, and then you need to click on change adapter settings, and then you need to click on Wi-Fi and turn on that by clicking on enable. So now you can see that it is enabling, and here you can see that in the right bottom corner you can see now internet option, and now my internet is connected, so it will take few seconds to update that. So this is the process by which you can turn on your internet connection if that option is not showing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.